Aqua friends, and welcome to my channel. Today I have this very special Christmas night vibe of a card that I've made, and I have been experimenting with my supplies to capture this mood and scene of nighttime bokeh. This is a very heavily edited version of the process that I did for my final production. And if you would like the full version and explanation in order to get this pleasing effect, please go to my website www.creativelast.com and sign up with your email, and you will have access to the full version with the explanation. I'm very excited about my website that I'm working on. I am trying to establish a community so that you folks can post your paintings as well, and we can have discussions. And also I'll have extra perks for those of you that sign up with your email. I'm taking Christmas colors of yellow, red, and greens, and I did a light wash, and I am now putting on some stickers to mask out those colors. And then I am going through repeating my colors in the same area just to increase the saturations of these colors. And so I picked yellow because I wanted like a gold feel, and then red and green for Christmas. And I'm really happy with the results. Once that dries, I'm repeating the process with my sticker circles. Now I'm going over the whole picture with a very dark color. I just used one color to get this nighttime vibe. Once that dries, you peel off the stickers. So now the ornament, I am wetting the ornament ball, and I'm laying down my first color. And then I'm coming back over this paint with a very Christmassy red color. Taking my dark color and adding the dark shadows on the glass ornament. drawing in the branch of the pine tree that's going to be holding this ornament. In order to paint in the gold top part of the bulb, I have to start back on a white background. So I'm just using an acrylic pen to be, as you will, the white of my paper. Just lifting up the highlights on the bulb. And I'm just using the yellows that I used in the background to make the gold on the ornament. And that is it. Sign your painting and you're done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you sign up on my website to give it a try. Thanks for watching. See you next time.